Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, Merry Christmas. It's me. Guess what I got for Christmas? Okay, so it started out with, I got a box that had this in it. And it said, Jackery. But this is the Jackery 1000. Can you see it? Oh, it's really heavy. So, it's lithium ion. It's the Explorer 1000. It says it's 22 pounds. So I'm going to take it out of the box. It's heavy. Hopefully I'm taking it out of the box. Probably I'm taking it out of the box. Holy moly. Okay, so I got the box open. See, and there's that accessory bag everyone talks about it comes with, but the stuff isn't in it. So, you know what? Does that mean those people who are doing the open boxing and they show the bag fully loaded, that they've already opened it because the accessories aren't in it? Like, can you? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything in the bag. So this is the brick charger, which we're actually going to use because I'm going to charge it inside the house. These are all the adapter thingies for the solar panels. And this is what I got to learn more about because these hookups. Yeah, because each solar panel company does like a little bit different. This is the car charger one, the DC charger. And this is for the brick charger. User manual. And it's packed really well. Okay. Then can I zoom you in? Ooh, good. That's really good. Look at me being all like professional camera person. We turned on the heat. So it's the first time forever in Southwest Florida. So I got a throat thing. Okay, so these are the inputs. So this is where those, these thingies for the solar power, the solar panels, this is where those are gonna go there. This is the hookup for when you do either the DC or the brick charger will go in there. See, then this is all outgoing. So like if you need to run something off of a cigarette lighter charger, USB-C, so like that's for like my cell phone and things like that. Some regular quick charge for USBs. 3 110 outlets. Oh, and that's right. You have to push if you're going to use these little buttons up top. You have to push if you want to use them. Here's the plastic for the display. And then over here is that super powered light everyone talks about. And we have to make sure that we don't cover these because this is the inverter's fan, so it doesn't overheat. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it over to a wall outlet and we're going to charge it. So hold on. Before user storage, plug your Explorer 1000 into the wall until it is fully charged. If the LED screen shows less than 20% capacity, plug it into a power source like an AC outlet or solar panel as soon as possible. It says from a wall charger, it's about 7.5 hours. Now remember, if I remember right, these usually come with like a 30% charge on them or something, just when they're like shipping them. Okay, so the display just blinked on. There it goes. So it's at 50%. Let's see what it says for input. It's going up. Can you see it going up? Okay, there we go. Okay, and the light goes out. Okay, so it's at 145, 146 watts. So it's at 50% right now. So, what time is it? So it's 1:23 p.m. So when it's full, I'll let you know how long it takes. Okay? And then when it's full, I'll also show you the other stuff I got with it. The solar panels, everything. Okay? Okay, well, I've had it for 10 minutes with the 99%. So I'm thinking 99 just doesn't show triple digits for 100%. Okay, so it's been at 99% for over 10 minutes and it hasn't gone to 100%. So I'm thinking that maybe the display only says 99%. Maybe it doesn't go to 3 digits. I don't know. So next I'm going to look at the solar panels. I haven't actually taken these out of the box yet.
Are you recording or?
Yes. Thanks. Okay. So says output is 18 watts and no, sorry, 100 watts, 18 volts. And on YouTube, it said that the high temp for it was 114 Fahrenheit. This says 149 Fahrenheit, which even in Southwest Florida, we don't get to 149 degrees. So, but these are not waterproof. Okay. And these are supposed to be the portable. And I'm not going to use them today. But if I can get a day off this week, I'll set them up to work on. Ooh, they come bubble wrapped. I love me some bubble wrap. Now you tell me, when you pop your bubbles, do you do the twist? Do you do it individually? Or are you like me, you like to like jump up and down on them? Okay. I'm confused. It says it's compatible with the Explorer, mobile phone, tablet, game player. Oh, so it has a little attachment that you can just charge them directly to this if you want. Okay, that's good to know. Now, one of the YouTube channels I watched, they said that the cords were too short. It's not too short. Oh, can you see that? Okay, see that? So that right there is how you can charge things right directly from the panel. Okay, good. So we got 2 of these panels. So this connects into this, and it makes it so you can plug no. Okay. This must be for the newer Jackeries that take this size. So you plug it into that, and then the other one plugs into here, and then you plug this into there. I get it. I see, said the blind man. Okay, so that's cool. And then this must be the kickstand. Yes. So there should be 2 of these kickstands. Yes, here's another one. Now my goal is to build a stand out of like 2x4s for these to actually sit on, so you don't have to use these kickstands. But I'm sure these kickstands will come in handy, like if we lose power and one of us is at work and we have to take this to work with us. So yeah, the Jackery's still at 99% plugged in. So I think it doesn't do triple digits. I think it only goes up to 99%. Okay, so here's the second panel. So they come packed really nicely because they're in individual boxes and then in the bigger box, so they're protected. I'm not going to take this one out of the box just for the fact, honestly, because they'll get cat hair all over them. But anyway, so oops. Okay, so let's open it up now. Ooh, okay, look at that. It's like magic. Ow, ooh, and you pinch your finger in it. Okay. Now, I know it says it's safe for up to 149 degrees, but I saw other content creators talk about that when it's really hot outside, really hot, they're not as efficient as like the glass panel ones that, you know, with the aluminum. But we'll find out. I'm excited about this because my goal, where I only have one outlet in the garage, is that I can use this for one of my heavier power tools and use the other actual outlet from the garage on another one, because I'm having an issue of like, I can't run the shop vac and the table saw at the same time. They pop each other out. And what I like to do is I like to run a fan, the shop vac, and the table saw all at the same time, because the fan keeps sawdust going that way. The shop vac is sucking up the sawdust out of the table saw, and then the table saw. So I'm going to put all the wires in here, the top part, and then I'm going to see if it will. I'm confused. Ooh, oh, it's a strap, like a carrying case thing. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so next I'm going to see if it'll fit in this bag. Okay, so I'm going to unplug the input. Unplug this. Let that cool for a minute. Okay, so then I'm going to put it in here. And this goes in here. And then it comes even with a shoulder strap. Whoa, that's heavy, but so anyways, this is the unboxing of my Jackery. I'm very excited. I mean, it took like 4 hours for it to charge from the wall. So, I mean, that's freaking awesome. I plan on most of the time just having this just charge from the wall. You know, like on my weekends off, when I'm outside working, I could have the solar panels going too and have it charging while it's running things or whatever. But it's more for the fact that I just need that extra outlet. But, okay. Thank you for watching. Oh, if you have any advice on the Jackery and anything I need to know, leave a comment, let me know. And I've learned how to find the comments so I can comment back. Thanks for watching.